7th Standard English 4.6 Papa Panav's Special Christmas. Let's see the question answers of this lesson. Meanings: scurried, to run with quick light steps. Muffled, sound which is covered up. Delicious, tasty. Quiet, quilt, a bed covering consisting of two layers stitched together with insulation between. Splendid, magnificent. Charcoal, impure carbon coal. Stove, a device for heating food. Miserable, sad, poor. Scanning, to examine part by part. Wrapped, covered in thin material. Shepherd, here, to guide. Stirring, action of movement. Gurgled, to make a bubbling sound. Anxiously, in a worried manner. Hunk, a large piece of something. Bewildered, confused. Pinched, very thin, pale from cold hunger. Clasp, to grab tightly. Question number 1. Write the homophones. Words which sound the same of the following words in the story. Answer: no, no. K-N-O-W, no. Dear, dear. Here, here. Went, went. Pair, pair, pair. New, new. Throw, throw. Soul, soul. Whole, whole. Correct the following sentences and rewrite them. The base shoes that Papa Panav had made were a pair of ladies' shoes. Wrong. The base shoes that Papa Panav had made were a pair of tiny leather shoes. Second, Papa Panav gave hot soup to the sweeper, milk to the young mother, and coffee to the beggars. Wrong. Papa Panav gave hot coffee to the sweeper, milk to the baby, and hot soup to the beggars. Third, by afternoon, Papa Panav had stopped looking out for Jesus. Wrong. By the time dusk had fallen, Papa Panav had stopped looking out for Jesus. Fourth, Papa Panav saw the sweeper, the young mother, and the beggars. He had helped only once in the morning. Papa Panav saw the sweeper, the young mother, and the beggars twice, once during the day and once at night. Fifth, Jesus had actually visited Papa Panav only once on Christmas Eve. Jesus had visited Papa Panav only once on Christmas Eve and several times on Christmas Day. Question number 3. Write a character sketch of Papa Panav in your own words. Papa Panav was a kind and humble shoemaker. He lived in a village in Russia. He was a cheerful man who lived alone. He was a widower and his grown-up children had left home to seek their fortune. He was loved by his villagers. He was a happy man with laughter wrinkles on his face, indicating his happy life. He was quite old and had weak eyesight, which made him wear spectacles. He earned a decent living. We come to know of this because he helped people in distress. He seems to be a God-fearing and pious man because he not only dreamed of God in his dream but also spoke to him. Though he was lonely, he brightened himself up by helping people when needed. We can sum their qualities of Papa Panav as being a wonderful human being with a golden heart. He is filled with humanness, empathy, selflessness, and love for mankind, making him God's beloved creature. Question number 4. Write your own interpretation of the story. The story of Papa Panav, according to me, is an interesting story to introduce the children, inculcating in them values of selflessness, empathy, sharing, and love for humanity. God resides in those who love their kind is vividly put forth through his story. This story has inspired me to go out and help those in need. The smile and blessings I get when I help the needy makes my day and makes me feel blessed. It is rightly said, service to man is service to God. Question number 5. Gather more information about cold weather, winter in Russia. Winters in Russia are not extremely cold and average. Winter temperature does not fall below 15 degrees Celsius. Russia is one of the coldest countries in the world in winter, with frost of up to 30 degrees Celsius common in the Moscow area and getting even colder further north. The coldest month is January at -8 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. Which season would you say is the harder in your locality? What help you would the poor and homeless people need in that season? Answer. The rainy season is the hardest season in my locality. The poor and homeless people are without a roof and have to remain wet and huddled under some shelter for hours. They do not have a proper shelter, clothes, food and drinking water. This is a season which brings in a lot of sickness, which if not treated could be fatal. Medicinal help is also necessary for them in this season, which is difficult for them to get. Thank you. Our lesson is completed.